Setting up a CPAP or continuous positive airway pressure machine is crucial for effective therapy and comfort. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step on how to properly set up your CPAP machine. Hi everyone, I'm Diane, respiratory therapist here at Sleep Doctor. For this demonstration, we're using the ResMed AirSense 11. However, the components of this machine should be similar, if not the same, as any machine brand you've ended up purchasing for your CPAP therapy. First off, unbox and inspect your equipment. Make sure you have your machine, a hose, a power cord, a water chamber, and make sure that there is no visible damage or missing parts. Place your CPAP machine on a flat, stable surface near your bed. Ensure the area is free from obstructions and within the reach of a power outlet. So first, you're going to connect the power cord to your CPAP machine and plug it into a power outlet. Your connection will be on the back of the machine. Next, you're going to connect your hose. One end will connect directly to the machine. The other end will attach to your mask. Open up your water chamber and fill it with distilled water to the indicated fill line, which should be on the front of the humidifier chamber. It's important that you do not overfill. And now you're going to place that humidifier chamber into the unit. Next, you should check your filters. There should be one already in place. However, just make sure that you have one and that it is secured correctly. Most of them are disposable. And the last thing you're going to do is attach your mask. So your mask should connect directly to the tubing, and then you should place it on your face. And you want to make sure that the mask fits snugly to your face. Check for any air leaks around the mask. A proper fit will definitely prevent those leaks. Now, before we get into the actual menu settings, if you're in need of any CPAP accessories to go with your new CPAP machine, like mask parts, tubing, cleaning products, or any other accessories you may find you need, go visit shop.sleepdoctor.com or check out our links below in the description. Okay, let's talk about the menu settings. While the settings we're going to go over on this machine are specific to the AirSense 11, most machines on the market have very similar settings. So first, we're going to talk about the ramp feature. A ramp feature allows for you to start out at the lowest setting possible and slowly rise to your set pressures. So here we're going to hit your ramp time. This machine has an auto feature. What an auto ramp does is allows for the machine to increase in pressure after the machine has sensed you have fallen asleep. Additionally, you can set it for a timed mode. You can go as low as 5 minutes, as high as 45 minutes of a ramp, or you can even turn this feature off. Once you set that to your comfort level, just click OK. Next, you want to adjust your humidity levels to prevent any dryness or discomfort. You can click on Climate Control, and you can select a manual setting and click OK. Now you will see you get a tube temperature, and if you scroll up, you'll also get a humidity level as well. You can adjust those to your comfort level. It is important to not get too much water in the beginning, so make sure that you start in the mid-level and go up or down as your needs require. Now you can look at your sleep report. Your sleep view menu gives you data from the machine, so you can see what's your usage, how well your masks fit, and how many hours you used the machine last night. Once you're done looking at that, you can hit the house. The next thing we can do is run a mask fit check. In the AirSense 11, it's going to be in this plus menu. You can run a mask fit check by clicking here. Put your mask on and click Start. The machine will then run a pressure check to make sure that that mask has a proper seal. If you're getting this exclamation point, then what you want to do is adjust the mask tightness until you receive a check mark. Once that check mark is there, you know that the mask has a proper seal and you're ready to go for the night. Lastly, the machine does have the ability to do a warm-up or preheat feature for your humidifier. That is also in this menu. That allows for over about 20 minutes for the water chamber to get to a proper temperature. Hit your house and that takes you back, and that's the menus of the device. Once you turn the machine on, you're going to see the pressure you're receiving in the center. It's at 4 because our ramp feature is on. Once that machine starts to climb in pressure, you will notice that pressure change through the night. You can see what your pressure settings are just below that here down at the bottom. Okay, let's talk about regular maintenance of your machine. You should be cleaning your mask, your hose, and your water chamber regularly with mild soapy water. Replace your filters as recommended by the manufacturer or your healthcare provider. And lastly, you should be refilling your water chamber with distilled water daily. So some additional tips. You should be checking for leaks. If you feel air escaping from your mask, try adjusting the straps or repositioning the mask on your face. Ensure the mask and headgear are comfortable. Adjust them if necessary to avoid discomfort or pressure marks. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and your healthcare provider's recommendations for optimal use and maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have a ton of CPAP content, including in-depth machine and individual mask reviews, as well as videos that cover a variety of questions that you may have regarding your own sleep apnea therapy. And if you're looking for a refresher on how CPAP therapy actually works, check out our video here that covers the fundamentals on everything a CPAP machine was made for. All right, that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. Sleep well.